Ulefone Armor 11T Video Review. Ulefone Armor 11T 5G is a 5G thermal imaging rugged phone. FLIR Lepton with MSX technology. The integrated FLIR thermal imaging camera, with MSX technology, on the Ulefone Armor 11T 5G smartphones can detect objects in the scene and create thermal images based on temperature. You will be able to see abnormalities such as heat loss or gain, find animals or people in the dark, and you quickly diagnose and resolve problems. A thermal imaging camera can play an important role in electrical and pipeline maintenance, outdoor adventures, emergency rescues and more. 48MP main camera provides high-definition image performance. You can zoom in the pictures without any loss of image clarity. With an aperture of f1.79, it can pass through more light. That makes Armor 11T 5G still perform well in night photography. Armor 11T 5G supports AI scene recognition. It can intelligently detect up to 15 kinds of scenes and automatically adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and more to help you effortlessly shoot photos that tell great stories. Armor 11T 5G features a night mode, enables you to capture clear and bright images even in poor light conditions. In order to get a wonderful night photography effect, please manually switch to night mode before the shoot. The world is yours to discover from 4 cm close. The macro lens can help you to take extreme close-up pictures of tiny objects and details. More colored details will be captured. Ulefone Armor 11T 5G lets you capture 4K videos that are beautifully true to life, with greater detail and smoother motion, makes shooting cinematic level video become much easier. Embrace the ultra-fast speed with a fully integrated 5G SoC, MediaTek Dimensity 800 5G chipset. Thanks to the flagship 7nm process technology and powerful CPU architectures, Ulefone Armor 11T 5G can achieve high performance, low power consumption and system fluidity. Featuring premium on Mali-G57 MC4 GPU with MediaTek Hyper-Engine 2.0, it will provide you the best gaming experience and picture quality. Theoretically, 5G network comes with a speed up to 10x faster than 4G. You will be able to experience virtually lag-free gaming and streaming, hyper-fast downloads, clear HD video calling and more. With smooth online collaboration and ultra-fast file sharing, your working productivity will be much higher. Supporting 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, SA and NSA network architectures, and most mainstream frequencies, you can get the best possible 5G connectivity no matter where you are, cause the Armor 11T 5G has a broad 5G coverage worldwide. 5G NR. Ulefone Armor 11T 5G is designed to support rugged lifestyles and survive tough and challenging environments. It is waterproof, dust-proof and drop-proof, so you can work worry-free in any condition. And lots of effort was made to make it more versatile, such as the custom key, gloves mode, digital toolkit and more. The 6.1-inch water drop screen with 19.5:9 aspect ratio gives you an all-round superior view, providing you shocking, immersive visual experience when you are watching videos, playing exciting games. And the high-hardness screen won't crack or break on impact. Powered by 8GB RAM, Armor 11T 5G is capable of multitasking, streaming videos, running even the most demanding games with ease. And the 256GB of UFS 2.1 internal storage can definitely meet your storing needs. You can download your favorite games, apps or save important files, photos as you like. With a massive 5200 mAh battery and power-efficient processor, the Armor 11T 5G promises long hours of work, leisure and outings, with no interruptions. Compared with other 5G smartphones, this device can keep 5G standby all day, and without any problems of endurance. Adventurers and professionals don't need to worry about running out of battery anymore when exploring/working the wild. Never fuss around with plugging and unplugging cables again, just set down and power up. Enjoy the fast, safe and easy way of charging. With Android 11 OS out of box, Ulefone Armor 11T 5G offers you several welcome conveniences, such as improved security and app privacy options, messaging improvements, screen recording, convenient media and smart home control and more. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Digital Mag channel.